Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 07 August 2018, 00 of hour, 02 of minute and 21 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, what types of devices use USB ports? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about what types of devices use USB ports. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about what types of devices use USB ports. A USB port is a standard cable connection interface for personal computers and consumer electronics devices. USB stands for Universal Serial Bus, an industry standard for short-distance digital data communications. USB ports allow USB devices to be connected to each other with and transfer digital data over USB cables. Last update March 21, 2018. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.